In the last few years back, our result was so not good. Look at the education system and the education quality that we have got, not like before anymore. Even if you talk about the result is so good, so Jabieng, it's a wrong on the part of any parents to say that, oh, my child has done everything. You cannot be proud because this matriculation result and the result which you are adhering to, it will not be a fruitful in the long run. Okay. Now we send our children to the schools so that we create a well equipped, educated and knowledgeable youth. But instead, the ready-made answers, do you think these children will go with the books anymore in the future? They will go only with the CM guidebook only. They don't need the books anymore. Why they will refer the book anymore? Tell me. When they have got the ready answer in that CM guidebook, why the hell they need to learn even in the schools also? They just can take the guidebook, write the exam. They don't need the percentage even to attend in the schools anymore. They can pass. They just need the CM guidebook. So what kind of a qualitative education that you will be teaching to your children in the future? Instead of bringing them up, you are destroying the education culture. You are destroying the whole, spirit of the education. So, where the quality lies? What kind of a moral that you are teaching to our youngsters? You know what? They will dance to every concert. They will, they will shout to every concert. At the end, they will pass the exam, and at the end, they won't get the job. They will be a servant for everything. So, they will be a slave to their own disguise. So, what will be their future? Their future will be at stake. Do you think our children who has passed in this exam will be qualified to compete in the other state? Tell me, will they be able to compete with the QUET or NEET or JEET or anything competitive? Will the chief minister give them a guidebook, CM guidebook to pass those things also? They should provide. They should provide the same thing that they have provided our students to pass this examination just for the sake of getting the namesake. Because previously they have done so worse. Our Meghalaya is one of the worst education system. Now they are bringing the worstest of the worst. It will not be the best. Okay. Do you just expect just because they have given a good result doesn't mean that you are expecting the good quality students to come up in the future? The student has to fight. The student has to know that they have been fooled. Every parent has to realize they should not celebrate. They have to realize what will happen to them in the future. They have to realize by now, and they should seek the guidance of all those who are already there, who knows about the education, who knows about the culture, who knows about the moral responsibility. This government doesn't have a moral responsibility to take care of our society anymore.